No matter where you live on campus, you'll be close to all the action. Classroom buildings and campus resources are never far away. Our data shows that simply living on campus makes you more likely to have a higher GPA and more likely to graduate. We are committed to student success both inside and outside the classroom. Although each residence hall is unique, there are a few elements that are common in every hall. Each building has live-in staff members to help you along your university journey. There are undergraduate students serving as resident assistants on each floor. Your RA is there to help you transition to college and support you during the year with floor events and individual connections. We also have graduate students serving as assistant hall directors and full-time master's level professional hall directors that live in the building with you. All these live-in staff members are here to support you. There is always someone available to assist any time of day. All of our buildings have several safety features. Entrance doors are on a card access system. Your access card will allow you to enter different parts of your assigned building. All living areas and shared community spaces have smoke or heat detectors. All bedrooms have fire retardant mattresses and drapes. All of our residence halls have sprinkler systems, and our fire systems are tested annually. These features support our commitment to well-maintained facilities. Now that we've covered some things that are in every residence hall, let's get a closer look at them individually to see what makes them unique. Welcome to Woods House. Woods House is a 10-story room-style residence hall comprised of 1- and 2-person rooms with single-user private bathrooms on each floor. As you enter the main lobby, you can interact with the front desk, operated 24 hours a day by full-time staff members as well as student workers. The front desk is where you can send and receive mail or packages, or check out sporting equipment, cleaning supplies, and kitchen equipment purchased by the building's hall council. You can also submit a work order or just have a question answered. When it's time for meals, make the short trip to a dining center. Your meal plan gives you access to Garst and Blair Shannon dining centers. Both are about equal distance from Woods House. The dining dollars component of your meal plan can be used at the food vendors at the Plaster Student Union, Meyer Library, and Glass Hall. The Woods House first floor has space for gathering and space for working. During the year, it's common to have students here at any time of day studying or catching up with one another. There is also a soft seating area with a common TV. The 10th floor features several building amenities. There is a lounge area, media room, computer lab, music practice room, laundry room, and kitchen area. There is space to study as well as space to socialize, similar to the first floor. There is soft seating and tables with chairs. The 10th floor has a pool table. You can borrow the needed equipment to play from the front desk or use your own. There is also another soft seating area with a TV. The media room features another TV and soft seating chairs for you and your new building friends. You'll have access to the computer lab 24 hours a day. If you have computing issues while you live on campus, contact the ResNet staff. Similar to the campus help desk, ResNet is a group of students and professional staff that can assist you with your computing needs. Unlike the campus help desk, ResNet is just for students that live on campus. The music practice room features a piano and is accessible using a key borrowed from the front desk. You can use the laundry room 24 hours a day. There is no need for coins as laundry is free. Just be sure to bring your own detergent and softener. Woods House also features Laundry Alert, an online system that will display which machines are in use and will even text you when your machine cycle ends. Inside the laundry room is a community kitchen area equipped with a microwave, full refrigerator, and oven. The kitchen is a shared space, so please help us keep it clean and ready for your neighbors to use. Each residential floor has a common area with soft seating and a TV. There is also a study room on the floor you can use 24 hours a day. Centrally located on the floor, students have access to multiple single-user private bathrooms. Each bathroom has lockable doors like you would find at home. There are also additional shared sinks available. In each bathroom, there is a toilet, sink, and standing shower. Each bathroom is stocked and cleaned by our custodial staff. The Woods House bedrooms have a mid-sized fridge and microwave. You and your roommate will each have a desk with drawer space, as well as a whiteboard pull-out surface. There is also a small chest of drawers for each of you that can fit under your bed or in most of the open closet alcoves. There is a tackable surface above the window that can be decorated. The LED lights in the bedrooms have 3 configurations if you want a lot of light or just a little. The Woods House beds have a loft bed frame, so they cannot be bumped. These adjustable frames can be raised or lowered. These are 80-inch extra-long twin-sized mattresses. Your desk and chest of drawers will all fit under your bed if you'd like to have a little more floor space. When connecting to the internet, you can either use the wireless network or an Ethernet connection. There are 2 Ethernet ports in each room. We recommend that you use the Ethernet port for gaming or high-quality streaming. We also have the MSU Home Device Network, which will allow you to connect wireless devices such as an Amazon Echo using a pre-shared key. We cut the cord and moved away from traditional cable. Students can watch TV on their computer, tablet, phone, or a TV by way of Roku. We recommend the Roku Ultra. You can stream over 80 channels using any internet-capable device while on campus. Your Philo account gives you access to HBO Go, Cinemax Go, and 20 hours of recording time. If you have a favorite show that comes on while you're in class, set it to record and watch it later. The best part is that you and your roommate can be watching 2 different shows at the same time on your individual Philo accounts. If you are looking to be involved while living on campus, consider joining Hall Council. Similar to student government, Hall Council is a great way to gain leadership experience. Each Hall Council holds events for the residents of their building during the year. They also purchase items that can be borrowed from the front desk. When you live on campus, you are a part of the larger Residence Hall Association student organization. Consider attending a meeting to have your voice heard, or go to one of their campus-wide events during the year. We are committed to creating communities where students can build and maintain connections with each other and the university. Finally, consider being a part of a living learning community. We have communities for students in similar majors, as well as for students with similar interests. Living learning communities are a wonderful way to enhance your already great decision to live on campus. We hope you enjoyed your tour. We look forward to seeing you soon.